Hello, everybody. Welcome to the next section. We talk about the same thing. Determine the quadrant. Determine the quadrant in which each angle lies. The angle measure is given in radians. So I already teach you about radian in the past video. They say question A, but now we on question B. So this one's a little bit tricky. If you don't know how to solve this, everything there gonna explodes. You don't know how to solve it. But I will go you step by step to solve this question or this equation. I we already know our data. Data is represent angle, and then radian represent the psi. Yeah, radian is just radian, nothing represent. But for angle, I just know is represent the data. So radian, I kinda messed up to understand, but you can do that by yourself. If you need like more information, just go and Chrome and type what is meaning of radian, or yeah, just radian. So they will detail you of that. But right now, we're going to solve this equation. We have to solve in the same equation before, and let me go back. Here is A, and then they have negative. They have negative, and then their answer is in 4 quadrant. So this is my quadrant. They tell us about quadrant. This is your quadrant. Quadrant 4. This is your answer. So let me put here. This is your answer. So this one is quadrant A, quadrant B, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4. We don't know yet. But first, easy way to solve this, just make sure do the same thing what I'm going to do in degrees, and then you can look up at it where is the exact function, or where is 11 pi over 9 in the graph. So make sure to understand this. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel first, and then hands up for like and hand down for don't like. So make sure to understand my YouTube or my video for today. I hope that will help you in your trigonometry or algebra. I think a lot they use in trigonometry, so you have to do that. Okay. First, if you want to do that by your brain, you can. If you want to use your calculator, you can, but I don't want to use calculator. Everything I do by my brain to memorize. When is the quiz time, I already know. I don't want to use my calculator. Sometimes calculator have like something bad memory. My bad memory, everything is bad. So do your brain. I will show you how to do that by hand. First, 11 pi over 9 time 180. Don't forget for 180. If you do degrees to radian or radian to degrees, do the same thing I did to pi. So someone know? If you know, great. What the first thing I will cancel is just pi. They cancel them away. So first, I will use this pi here. Okay, I have 11 time. Sorry, guys. 11 pi. So I have 180 time 11. So 1 time 1 is 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. So you add your 1 0 here. So 1 times 0 0. 1 times 8 8. 1 times 1 1. So make sure to understand what I'm going to do. So first you can add your add here, because time and positive is the same. So I think that's right. Yep. Okay, so if you want, I do that, and then I go to my screen and I show you how to use an math calculator. You can. So first thing, there we go. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So nothing plus 1 is just 1. So we get 1980, just 199, 1980. So we click there. I think I have some calculator in my yeah, yes, calculus. Okay, there we go. Close that. So 180 times 11. Hit your answer. You see, this here is your answer, 1980. So let's go back to my whiteboard. Now this cancel all this. Make sure this is must be somewhere here, 1980 degrees. You can put this degrees because here represent degrees. So don't forget the bottom is 9 divided by 9. Okay, there we go. Now we have big mistake or big problem. If you don't careful for this part, you will lose how you did this. If you want to do long division, you can. If you don't do long division, accept you. So if it's like in long division, you can do that somewhere here in 1980. So something divided by 1, I mean 1 divided by 9 is just 1. 1 divided by 9 is like something point something, but you can do 19 divided by 9. You get only 2. You have like some point, but don't care about point. We care about 2, but I don't want to use this. So I don't want to use long division because I'm bad I'm good at long division, but I don't want to use in this form. Okay, let's use green. So if you need to use your calculator, you can. If you don't, just do your best to get this answer by your brain, like me sometime. So if you get like 1980 divided by 9, so divided by 9, so 18. So here, yeah, if we do long division here, so here's my 9 goes here 2 times, 180 is go how many times is go 2 times, and 9 times 0 is only 0. So everything divided by 0 is undefined or 0. So for example, you have like 0 divided by 9 is undefined, so you have to put 0. So this is my answer. So let me move this out here to don't this have to badgering you guys. So let me erase this here. You already know that we know that our answer is 220. If it's 220, if you don't believe me, let me use my math calculator here. Okay, 1900 divided by 9, right? Yeah, 9. Yeah, it's 220. It's 220. So there we go. Now let's come to my unit circle, or yeah, we call this unit circle. So we know that this is my 90, and then this is my 180 is here. This is my 180, then this is my 270. So you can look at this is 270 here, and this is my 180 is here. So here is right here is 240. It's some like here, I'm not sure, but I do my best to know that. Then somewhere here is 225. This somewhere here is 225, but if it's like 220, so 1 2 3, like 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm not sure, it's not kind of long over there, but it's some close to 225. So you just open 5 way, 1 2 3 4 5 is somewhere here. This is your angle. So if you want to do here, and then this is your Here's your radian, and then here is your degrees, and then here is your side opposite adjacent hypotenuse. Do that like SOHCAHTOA. You can solve this in another form, but in this form we care about we care about quadrant. That's why I do this quadrant. So you see this line, it doesn't pass, so it's stored from here to here. So three quadrant. So we know that our answer must be quadrant 3. That is your answer. Quadrant 3. That is your answer. That is your answer. Thank you. If you like, hands up. If you don't like, hands down. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.